Hello friends, in this video I will show how to set B5 paper size in PowerPoint. So open Microsoft PowerPoint and here click on Design tab, then Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. Once you click here in this drop down, so there are some options. You have to select B5, this one, select it. Here you can select orientation, portrait or landscape. So select as you required, then click on OK. You can select maximize scaling or ensure fit scaling. So if you are not sure, so check one by one and see the result which is better for you. So B5, this time we will select. Same you can change again B4 or A4, A3 or whichever you need. So this is a short video guys to learn how to change paper size in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.